Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to track mileage for your business in Wave. The first thing we got to note is that Wave doesn't offer a built-in mileage tracker, but you can use a third-party app like Mile IQ or Everlance, or you could use Google Maps timelines. Now you just got to export your mileage data from the app. Now to do that, all you got to do is first in Wave, go to the accounting section, and then under accounting, you're going to go to transactions. Then you're going to need to create a new expense for mileage, and you want to categorize it under automobile expenses and attach your mileage report to that. Even without a built-in tracker, Wave can help you log mileage manually. In the next video, we're going to discuss how to categorize expenses properly in Wave, so stay tuned for that. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.